everyone, I'm Bhavna Sani. I'm back with a new video for class 10th. So first of all, happy Republic Day to you all. And now we are doing sample paper number 26 and आज हमारा 26th day का challenge है. Only 4 more sample papers are left and I know and I really hope आप लोगों ने सारे करे होंगे sample papers. अगर नहीं करे तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सबके लिंक गिवन है, कर लो. बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश की तैयारी हो जाएगी. ठीक है, सो पैटर्न वही है, सब कुछ वही है. अब हम क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हैं. तो सेक्शन ए जो है आपका वो रीडिंग स्किल्स है और वो 20 मार्क्स का है. क्लियर. सेक्शन ए में 2 क्वेश्चन है, दोनों 10 मार्क्स के हैं. सो पहला क्वेश्चन अब हम शुरू करते हैं पैसेज का. सो क्वेश्चन रीड करने से पहले, पैसेज रीड करने से पहले पैसेज का क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं क्या है. Why does the author say that one should be concerned about the environment? ऑथर ने ये क्यों बोला कि हमें कंसर्न होना चाहिए एनवायरमेंट को लेके, फॉर फ्यूचर जनरेशन, फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ कंट्री, फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ कल्चर और फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ सस्टेनेंस. सो लेट्स रीड एंड फाइंड आउट द आंसर. The world is big, but in a sense, it starts with me. Knowledge and awareness about myself have to precede my knowledge of things other than me. If I want to external the environment to appreciate value, I need to do it by myself first. In order to make the atmosphere around me green, I have to be green myself in belief and action. From dusk to dawn and dawn to dusk, our every activity leaves its footprints on the environment and ecology. It is a 24/7 internal phenomena. A labored consciousness of having to go green in all possible areas is required in each one of us. It is, after all, our own self-interest and that of our descendants. The conscious application of a change is going to become a habit, and one's culture is in due course. Though we read and hear a lot of green initiative, we hardly tweak our routines to suit the larger picture. Greenery in the surroundings prevent dust and noise pollution. The way we water and manure plants also matters. Water is also a fast depleting resource. Sprinklers are one example to use and conserve it. Compost from bio-waste can be used as manure for plant, which is cost effective and eco-friendly. We can also contribute to the preservation of water bodies by not dumping our garbage in them. The use of public transport system in the place of individual modes can reduce carbon footprints. Reuse, recycle, re-engineer and renew are the mantras. Let us appreciate, support and contribute our might to the promotional efforts of the community in this direction. Remember, my ecology is also the community, society and nation that I care for, which in turn cares for me. In other words, all these seemingly outward initiatives done for others are going to make my life more comfortable ultimately. I have to be therefore concerned about what sort of environment I am responsible for my own sustenance, livelihood and progress. तो यहाँ पे हमें आंसर मिल गया. The author says that one should be concerned about the environment because we are responsible for our sustenance, livelihood and progress. ठीक है, अब यही बचा, इसको भी पूरा रीड करते हैं. As long as my impact is positive and my presence will be welcome, if it is otherwise, I am going to be shunned. It is either embrace or embarrass. Green initiative are anti-scorched earth, air, water and soil need to be conserved for thriving of mankind in the future. The increasing onslaughts on the quality of air and soil needs to be reserved. The indiscriminate exploitation of water consumable is only 0.3% of fresh water needs to be stopped. The earth ought not to shrink further, continue to breathe easy. Mother Earth looks for only love and cares from her children and nothing more in return for all the wealth she has so generally showered on us. So now let's start with the first question, and first question हमने read कर लिया था. Why does the author say that one should be concerned about the environment? जो मैंने line underline करी थी उसी से ही पता लगता है, for better sustenance. Clear? Next आता है, the writer is all for measures to be taken to save the planet Earth when he says air, water and soil needs to be conserved for the thriving of mankind in the future. Paragraph 6. We have to state any 2 solution he offers in the extract about 40 words. Clear? तो अभी उसने ये ऑथर ने हमें यही बताया in the last paragraph कि जो ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स हैं वो बहुत ही एंटी स्क्रॉच है अर्थ पे. एयर, वाटर एंड सॉइल नीड्स टू बी कंजर्व फॉर थ्राइविंग ऑफ मैनकाइंड इन द फ्यूचर. तो 2 चीज़ें बतानी है हमें, 2 रीजंस बताने. द इंक्रीजिंग ऑनस्लॉट्स ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ एयर एंड सॉइल नीड्स टू बी रिजर्व. इससे हम अपने इन्वायरमेंट को बेटर कर सकते हैं। एंड ये हमारा फर्स्ट रीजन हो गया। सेकंड रीजन हमारा यही हो गया, द इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ वाटर कंज्यूम्ड वाटर इज ओनली 0.3% ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर विच नीड्स टू बी स्टॉप्ड। तो ये दो सजेशंस ऑथर ने दिए हैं, ठीक है। सो येस, टू सॉल्यूशंस दैट द राइटर ऑफर्स आर द इंक्रीजिंग ऑनस्लॉट्स ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ एयर एंड सॉइल नीड्स टू बी रिजर्व्ड एंड द इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन ऑफ वाटर नीड्स टू बी स्टॉप्ड। क्लियर। देन उसके बाद आता है कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस एप्रोप्रिएटली। वी नीड टू कंजर्व वाटर बिकॉज हमें वाटर क्यों कंजर्व करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही सबसे ज़्यादा डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स है। यू ऑल नो दैट, ठीक है। इसके लिए मुझे हमें ये भी पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। यू ऑल नो दैट जो वाटर है वो सबसे ज़्यादा डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स है। इट इज़ फास्ट डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स। द पैसेज इंक्लूड सम वर्ड दैट आर अपोजिट ऑफ ईच अदर फ्रॉम सेट ए टू ई गिवन बिलो। आइडेंटिफाई टू सेट्स ऑफ इंटोनिम्स। अपोजिट पूछा हुआ है। बिलीफ एंड एक्शन नहीं, knowledge and awareness नहीं, reduce and increasing is opposite, indiscriminate and change नहीं, dusk and dawn, morning and evening, ये हमारा इंटोनिम है। क्लियर। कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस appropriately. The author says that the earth not to shrink further and continue to breathe easy because dash, ये हमारा पैराग्राफ 6 में मेंशन है और हमने अभी अच्छे से रीड भी किया था। The earth ought not to shrink further, to continue to breathe easy. Mother Earth looks for only love and care from her children and nothing more in return for all the wealth she has so generously showered on us. तो यही आपका आंसर है। Clear? Let's see this now. Mother Earth looks for only love and care from her children and asks for nothing more in return for all that she offers. Supply one point to justify the following in about 40 words. I need to do it by myself first. In order to make the atmosphere around me green, I have to be green myself in belief and action. तो बेसिकली एक पॉइंट देना है इसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए। तो इसमें हमने यही बताया था ऑथर ने कि जो हम करते हैं उसका फुटप्रिंट्स हमारे इन्वायरमेंट पे भी पड़ता है, ठीक है। ये देखो, इफ़ आई वॉन्ट द एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट टू अप्रिशिएट वैल्यू, आई नीड टू डू इट बाय माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट। इन order to make the atmosphere around me green, I have to be green myself in belief and action. तो इसको justify करना था आपने from dusk and down and from dusk to down to dusk. Every activity leaves its footprint on the environment and ecology. ठीक है। 24/7 internal phenomena है जो हम कर रहे हैं उसका हमारा impact जो है वो environment पे पड़ता ही पड़ता है। So इसका आंसर यही है that the entire day, our everyday activity leaves its footprint on the environment and ecology. Therefore, it is our responsibility to awaken our consciousness and go green all possible area. It is after all our own self-interest and that of our descendants. Clear? Why does the writer says the use of public transport system in the place of individual modes? ताकि ये हमारा कार्बन फुटप्रिंट छोड़ रहा है कि भाई हम क्या कर रहे हैं टू रिड्यूस कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स, हमारा इम्पैक्ट इन्वायरमेंट पे पड़ रहा है। अगर हम इंडिविजुअल व्हीकल पे जा रहे हैं तो इट इज़ इम्पैक्टिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट, इट इज़ पोल्यूटिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट। क्लियर। बेस्ड ऑन योर रीडिंग ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, लिस्ट एनी 2 प्रिवेंटिव मेजर फॉर द ऑथर स्टेटमेंट वाटर इज ऑल्सो फास्ट डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स इन पैराग्राफ 3। तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था पैराग्राफ 3 में वाटर इज फास्ट डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में, ये पैराग्राफ 3 में भी मेंशन है। तो हमें ऐसे क्या करना चाहिए कि हमारा जो वाटर है वो खराब ना हो। सो अगर मैं वाटर की बात करूँ तो वाटर इज़ अ फास्ट डिप्लीटिंग रिसोर्स, ये हम यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया। तो हमें स्प्रिंकलर्स यूज़ किया करना चाहिए टू यूज़ एंड कंजर्व इट। उसके बाद हमें बायो वेस्ट को डंप नहीं करना चाहिए, बहुत ही इको फ्रेंडली वे में करना चाहिए और हमें बेसिकली ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट को ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए। वी शुड नॉट डंप आवर गार्बेज इन वाटर बॉडीज़, ठीक है। इससे वाटर बॉडीज़ भी हमारी पोल्यूट होती है। तो यही हमने यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है। सो यूज़ ऑफ स्प्रिंकलर्स टू प्रिजर्व वाटर एंड नॉट डंपिंग गार्बेज इन वाटर बॉडीज़। क्लियर। नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। जो नेक्स्ट पैसेज है आपका वो भी 10 मार्क्स का है, उसके भी 8 क्वेश्चन हैं। तो पैसेज रीड करने से पहले हम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसका देख लेते हैं और उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये कहता है Answer the following question based on the passage. Complete the following sentence appropriately. Project Snow Leopard was introduced in India too. अब Snow Leopard project क्यों introduce किया था इंडिया में? Let's read and find out the answer. So yes, India is home to an estimated 10% of the global snow leopard population, spread across 5 Himalayan states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, which is only 5% of the available global habitat for the animal. Project Snow Leopard आ गया. Project Snow Leopard का was introduced in India by Project Snow Leopard Committee, instituted by the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India in the year 2009 to safeguard, ये है main answer, to safeguard and conserve India's unique natural heritage of high altitude wildlife population and their habitat by promoting conservation through participatory policies and action. So this is the answer. So let's read this. एक बार हम रीड करते हैं इसको. यहाँ पे है इसका आंसर. सो सेफगार्ड एंड कंजर्व इंडियाज यूनिक नेचुरल हेरिटेज ऑफ हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड वाइल्ड लाइफ पॉपुलेशन एंड देयर हैबिटेट्स बाय promoting conservation through participatory policies and action. Now select the appropriate option to fill in the blanks from paragraph 4. The dash and dash which usually occur at an altitude of more than 2700 meter are the apex predators in the Himalayan region. ठीक है, समझ आया. ये पैराग्राफ 4 में है और अभी हमने सिर्फ पैराग्राफ 2 तक रीड किया है. तो अब हम 3 भी करते हैं फिर 4 भी करते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एंड प्रोजेक्ट एलिफेंट आर प्रेवलेंट इन इंडिया विद द फॉर्मर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड in 1973, garnering worldwide attention. ठीक है. The snow leopard usually occurs at an altitude. अब snow leopard की बात करी हुई है. They usually occur at an altitude more than 2700 meter above sea level and is the apex predator in the Himalayan region along with the Tibetan wolf. ये दोनों एनिमल मिलते हैं. तो आंसर है snow leopard and Tibetan wolf. एक बार हम ये भी रीड कर लेते हैं. The project is not only to protect snow leopard, but as with Project Tiger, it is considered an umbrella species, and with its protection comes the protection of the other species and the habitat of which they are all part. Clear? So now, yes, अभी हमने 5th और 6th read करना है, वो हम बाद में read करेंगे according to the question. So snow leopard and Tibetan wolf is the correct answer. What do you understand by the word ratified? Point number 6 in paragraph 6 ये अभी हमने पढ़ना है. What do you think India has ratified the international agreement? तो इसके लिए अभी हमें आगे पढ़ना पड़ेगा mainly paragraph 6, but we are on paragraph 5. तो एक बार paragraph 5 भी read कर लेते हैं. The top 3 national park in India where the snow leopard can likely be seen is Kibber Wildlife Sanctuary Himachal Pradesh, Ule Valley in Ladakh, Hemis National Park in Himachal Pradesh. Clear? ये project snow leopard का दिया हुआ है data. The reason for the introduction of Project Snow Leopard are as follows. High altitude of India more than 3000 meter including the Himalayan and the Trans-Himalayan biogeographic zones support a unique wildlife assemblage of global conservation. There has been relatively less attention on the region from the viewpoint of wild conservation. The region represents a vast rangeland system supporting important traditional pastoral economies and lifestyle. The region provides essential ecosystem services and harbor river system vital for the nation's food security. India has ratified international agreement promoting the conservation of high altitude wildlife species such as snow leopard. The region is important for the country's national security as well as international relation. The high altitude wildlife in India today faces a variety of threats. The existing high altitude protected areas in India require considerable strengthening and wildlife management in the region needs to be made more participatory. तो क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्वेश्चन ये बोला गया था कि भाई रैटिफाइड का क्या मतलब है इन पैराग्राफ 6. सो रैटिफाइड की बात करें तो गवर्नमेंट और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करें, दे आर मेकिंग एग्रीमेंट, ऑफिशियल एग्रीमेंट. ठीक है. So the word ratified means especially of government or organization to make an agreement official. Okay. What do you think India has ratified the international agreement? अब इंडिया ने international agreement क्यों किया था? To protect the snow leopard as it is an endangered species. तो यही हमें पता है. The reason for this is to protect the snow leopard as it is an endangered species. Clear? फिर उसके बाद आता है infer the meaning of the phrase snow leopard is considered as an umbrella species. Umbrella species इसलिए बोला जाता है because it ensures the protection of other species. ठीक है. It ensures the protection of other species. यहाँ पे ये mention है कि जो snow leopard है it is considered as an umbrella species. With its protection comes the protection of other species. Clear? So this is the reason. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Next question says that in which state or union territories of India can snow leopard be found? तो ये ऊपर मेंशन है हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, ये पूरा मेंशन है, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. सो हिमाचल प्रदेश, हिमालय स्टेट्स ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, यहाँ पे आपको स्नो लेपर्ड मिलेंगे. क्लियर? देन मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज दैट select the correct option to complete the following sentence. The reason for the introduction of Project Snow Leopard in high altitude is that. अब high altitude में क्या था कि the region provide essential ecosystem service and harbors river system vital for the nation's food security. Yes, ये reason mentioned है paragraph में. The region has a cold climate. No. The regions offer a very less chance of survival of other animals. No. Snow leopard survive better in such climate. No. The answer is A part कि ये बहुत essential ecosystem services एंड हार्बर सिस्टम, रिवर सिस्टम भी प्रोवाइड करता है, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर नेशंस फूड सिक्योरिटी. फिर आता है सेवेंथ, लिस्ट एनी टू रीजन फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट स्नो लेपर्ड इन हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड इन अबाउट 40 वर्ड्स. तो इन ये 6 रीजन्स गिवन है. इन 6 रीजन में से 8 रीजन में से आप कोई भी 2 रीजन मेंशन कर सकते हो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेंशन भी है द रीजन फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट स्नो एट हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड, तो आप पहले 2 रीजन भी लिख सकते हो. क्लियर? सो यस, high altitude of India more than 3000 meter including the Himalayan and Trans-Himalayan biogeographic zone support a unique wildlife assemblage of the global conservation. And next, there has been relatively less attention on region from the viewpoint of wildlife conservation. And इसका last question ये बोलता है which of the following is an appropriate title for paragraph 2? Project Snow Tiger, Snow Leopard, Preserving India's Wild and Man in the Wild. So let's see paragraph 2 क्या है. Paragraph 2 ये बोलता है Project Snow Leopard was introduced by this and to safeguard and conserve India's unique natural heritage. तो स्नो लेपर्ड तो इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था, पर क्यों इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था उसके रीजन के अकॉर्डिंग अगर मैं देखूँ तो ये है कि इंडिया की वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रिजर्व करना है. सो preserving India's wildlife can be the correct topic for the paragraph 2. Clear? Then we are moving on to section B. Section B जो है वो आपका ग्रामर एंड राइटिंग दोनों है. 20 मार्क्स का है. ग्रामर 10 मार्क्स की है, राइटिंग 10 मार्क्स की है. ग्रामर की बात करें, there are 12 questions, you have to attempt any 10. So complete any 10 of 12 of the following task as directed. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option to complete the sentence. For the past few days, I pleasantly by world leaders who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. तो ये नेल्सन मंडेला का ही है. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged, मतलब I had been pleasantly surrounded by the world leaders who were coming to pay attention. So इसका B part है आंसर. Read the conversation between a teacher and her student. Complete the sentence by reporting the conversation between the two. Teacher, who gets the teacher's medal in creativity? Who gets the teacher's medal in creativity? Teacher, unfortunately this student has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. So when student asked the teacher about the winner, she informed them that unfortunately this student किस में change हो जाएगा? That student has किस में change हो जाएगा? had been absent for school for some days, ठीक है, and was not here to receive the applause that is due to her, that was due to her. Clear? तो जो circle है वो चीज़ें change होंगी. Unfortunately that student had been absent from school for some days and के बाद लिखा आएगा not here to receive the applause that was due to her. Clear? Then आता है third part. Select the correct option to fill in the blanks for the given line from a travel magazine. The Monu Festival of the Foams, which marks the end of winter with dancing, singing and social work such as the and construction of bridges. So the Monu Festival of the Foam, which marks the end of winter, is celebrated. तो इसका यही A part आंसर होगा. with dancing and singing, social work such as the repairing and construction of bridges. Select the option that identifies the error and supplies the correction for the following line from a history book. The rebel troops crossed the bridge in boats over the Yamuna and stood clamoring for admittance below the Red Fort walls. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? The rebel troops. ठीक है, तो जो rebel troops है they have crossed, उसके बाद ये ऑप्शन भी दिया हुआ है, बट मैं फिर भी बोलूँगी कि भाई ऑप्शन देखने से पहले ना आप प्लीज़ मिस्टेक फाइंड आउट कर लो ताकि आपको दिक्कत ना हो. ठीक है, The rebel troops crossed the bridge in boats. भाई in boats कैसे होता है? The rebel troops crossed the bridge of boats over the Yamuna and stood clamoring for admittance below the Red Fort walls. ठीक है, तो off का हो जाएगा आपका in का हो जाएगा off, नहीं over का होगा, in का हो जाएगा off. Clear? In का हो जाएगा off. So yes, complete the given narrative by filling the blanks with the correct option. They dashed the path into woods that disappeared, perhaps into a grove of lush old trees touching the soil with long aerial roots. So, went into, went along, were going into, had gone into. So, they went along the path into the woods. ठीक है, फिर आता है sixth part, fill in the blanks by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of a letter. Dear sir, we are organizing our annual function on 5th November. So are organizing. Now complete the dialogue between a grandson and his grandfather by completing the sentence. Grandson, why are you planting so many saplings, grandpa? Grandfather, we need to learn the quality of giving selflessly only from the trees. So grandson asked his grandpa why. ठीक है, you किस में change हो जाएगा? He, और are किस में change हो जाएगा? Was. ठीक है, इनकी जगह मैंने interchange कर दी क्योंकि हम एक question को statement में change कर रहे हैं. Why he was planting so many saplings. ठीक है, why he was planting so many saplings, to which the old man replied that the quality of being selflessly from our tree. We need to learn as it is आ जाएगा. Clear? Next, identify the error in the given sentence from a story in a popular magazine and supply the correction. The woman agreed to apply for the post after suggested by a police superintendent. So the woman agreed to apply for the post as suggested by the police superintendent. Clear? Then we are moving on to the next question. Next question says that read the response of a child to his mother. You have misunderstood my words, mommy. Now report the question posed by the mother. The mother asked angrily what he meant by those words. No. The mother asked angrily what he meant by those words. No. The mother asked angrily what did he mean by those words. The mother asked angrily what he meant by those words, क्योंकि what did वगैरह नहीं आएगा, क्वेश्चन को स्टेटमेंट में चेंज कर रहे हो, तो इसका आंसर है डी पार्ट. अब 10th की बात करते हैं. आइडेंटिफाई द एरर इन द गिवन सेंटेंस एंड सप्लाई द करेक्शन. Labeling a child as obese should run the risk of making him angry. So labeling a child as obese should नहीं होगा, might होगा कि भाई वो angry हो सकता है. So labeling a child as obese might run the risk of making him angry. ठीक है, next question आता है. Select the correct option to complete the narration of the conversation between two friends studying in different universities. A. Recently we honored Professor Timothy Walsh with an award for outstanding work in languages. B. Do you know that his research work dashed by the student of linguistics all over the world? So recently we honored Professor Timothy Walsh with an award. इसमें क्या होगा? Do you know that his research work is referred to by the student, is referred to अभी भी किया गया है all over the world. तो was, had been, will be नहीं, is referred to. D part. Now identify the error on the door of an office and supply the correction. Executive board room keeps silence. ठीक है, तो एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड रूम में बोर्ड की स्पेलिंग गलत है, BOARD वाला बोर्ड रूम होगा, सो इट इज एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड रूम. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ सेक्शन बी, दैट इज राइटिंग. राइटिंग में देयर आर टू क्वेश्चन 10 मार्क्स का है ये, 5 मार्क्स के एक एक क्वेश्चन है, सो 5 मार्क्स ईच। एंड क्वेश्चन 4 की बात करें तो क्वेश्चन 4 इज लेटर। लेटर में ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन लेटर। तो यू आर मनीष पासवान ऑफ 46 तुगलक रोड, न्यू दिल्ली। राइट अ लेटर टू SHO तिलक नगमार्ग पुलिस स्टेशन, न्यू दिल्ली, कंप्लेनिंग अगेंस्ट ईव टीजिंग इन योर एरिया। ठीक है, तो भाई सबसे पहली मिस्टेक इसमें क्या है कि जो आपका लेटर है वो 3 लाइन्स में होना चाहिए, और यहाँ पे लेटर जो है आपका वो 2 लाइन्स में। सो यू कैन राइट हाउस नंबर 46, नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाएगा तुगलक रोड, और उसकी नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाएगा न्यू दिल्ली। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन। 26 नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ 26 आएगा, और यहाँ पे कॉमा आ जाएगा जुलाई के बाद, एंड ईयर परफेक्टली लिखा है। आफ्टर दैट अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन। फिर आप SHO को लेटर लिख रहे हो, द SHO तिलक मार्ग पुलिस स्टेशन, न्यू दिल्ली, ये तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है। उसके बाद अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन। फिर आता है आपका सब्जेक्ट, सैल्यूटेशन नहीं आएगा, कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट ईव टीजिंग, इसको अंडरलाइन करना है सब्जेक्ट को। अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन, उसके बाद सैल्यूटेशन आता है सर। फिर 3 पैराग्राफ में आंसर करना है आपने। आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ योर काइंड अटेंशन टूवर्ड्स इंक्रीजिंग इंसिडेंट ऑफ ईव टीजिंग इन योर एरिया। ये हो गया आपका पैराग्राफ 1। ठीक है, फिर पैराग्राफ 2 आता है, इट हैज become so common that the girls are afraid of going to their schools and colleges. They don't dare to go alone. Some students and loafers assemble near the market and pass dirty remarks on the girls. They have left with no sense of shame. यहाँ पे आपका आता है सेकेंड पैराग्राफ। देन सर नहीं लिखना, हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ मेंशन कर दिया सैल्यूटेशन में। थर्ड पैराग्राफ यहाँ से शुरू होता है, I request you to bring the eve teasers to book. It will be better if constables in plain clothes are posted near the schools and parks, and early action will be highly appreciated. उसके बाद you have to leave a line, उसके बाद thanking you आएगा। यहाँ पे लाइन छोड़नी नहीं है, yours faithfully भी लिख सकते हो, yours truly भी लिखोगे, and आंसर में आ जाएगा मनीष पासवान। क्लियर? अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन है। You happen to read the recently published report by the National Crime Record Bureau 2021 that stated that fatalities in road accidents in India were the most in 2021 and the highest since 2014. Anxious, you decided to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper to shake up the authorities and the public about obeying traffic rules for everyone's safety. Write the letter as Alok Jha from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, invent necessary detail. तो सबसे पहले जो आपका सेंडर्स एड्रेस है ना, डू नॉट राइट इन 4 लाइन, 3 लाइनों में लिखना है, तो यहीं पे कॉमा डाल के आप यूपी लिख के खत्म करो इसको। ये हो गया आपका सेंडर्स एड्रेस। उसके बाद यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन। आफ्टर दैट डेट बिल्कुल परफेक्ट लिखी है, बस अक्टूबर के बाद आपका आ जाएगा कॉमा। ठीक है, अगेन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन, लेटर लिख लो, द एडिटर द इंडियन एक्सपेक्ट्स बड़ी मस्जिद रोड, और लखनऊ भी यहाँ पे लिखो, यहाँ मत लिखो, यहीं लिखो लखनऊ। एंड आफ्टर दैट लीव अ लाइन। उसके बाद आता है सब्जेक्ट, सैल्यूटेशन नहीं आता, ब्लड शेड ऑन आर रोड्स, अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट। अगेन लीव अ लाइन, यहाँ पे आप सैल्यूटेशन लिखोगे सर, उसके बाद नीचे बिना लाइन छोड़े लिखोगे थ्रू द कॉलम ऑफ योर एस्टीम्ड न्यूज़पेपर आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ द एंग्विश ऑफ द जनरल पब्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक। ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका पैराग्राफ खत्म होगा, तो इतना नहीं लिखना आपने। ठीक है, बट हाँ इससे पॉइंट्स लेके आप सेकेंड पैराग्राफ जरूर लिख सकते हो। तो पहला पैराग्राफ क्या है, थ्रू द कॉलम ऑफ योर एस्टीम्ड न्यूज़पेपर आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ द anguish of the general public and the concerned authorities and the attention of the concerned authorities on dash topic. Clear? Traffic collision in India are major source of deaths, injuries and property damage every year. The recent National Crime Record Bureau 2021 report states that fatalities in road accident were the most common in 21, the highest since 2014, and the maximum number of deaths happened due to two-wheelers. Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu have the dubious distinction of occupying the top slots in this category. For next paragraph, our roads have become death traps in recent year. The root cause of this collision appears to be irresponsible and hasty driving. People nowadays are usually in rush. The speed barriers and accidents-prone area warnings are ignored. They are neither concerned about their own safety nor the सेफ्टी ऑफ को ड्राइवर्स और पेडेस्ट्रियन। तो ये सेकंड पैराग्राफ हो गया, आपने इतना बड़ा नहीं लिखना, मेक श्योर। फिर इतना छोड़ दो, फिर सीधा थर्ड पे आ जाओ। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट द अथॉरिटीज टू टेक एप्रोप्रिएट एंड स्टर्न एक्शन अगेंस्ट ऑल लॉ ब्रेकर्स Through public awareness programs, we should make people aware of the traffic rules, the significance of speed barriers and speed restriction, so that roads become a safe place for everyone who uses them. उसके बाद आपने लाइन छोड़नी है, लाइन छोड़ के लिखना है थैंकिंग यू, योर्स फेथफुली या योर्स ट्रूली एंड नाम आलोक झा. क्लियर. नाउ वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो आपका है एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ. 2 एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ है, उनमें से कोई भी अटेम्प्ट करना है. बहुत ईजी है, 5 मार्क्स का होता है. 100 to 120 वर्ड्स में आपने आंसर करना है. तो जो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है उसको एनालाइज करो और लिख डालो. ठीक है. सो राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन द फॉलोइंग टॉपिक. कोविड-19 नोवेल कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक. टॉपिक दोगे, देना बहुत जरूरी है. सीधे 1 मार्क्स है टॉपिक के. ठीक है. और ये आपको हिंट दिया हुआ है. कोविड-19 न्यू स्ट्रेन ऑफ कोरोना वायरस आइडेंटिफाइड इन वुहान चाइना. नेम्ड कोविड-19 सिम्टम्स रनी नोज, सोर थ्रोट, कफ, फीवर, ब्रीदिंग डिफिकल्टीज एंड ऑर्गन फेलियर. A fatal disease dangerous to elderly people, minor children and person with pre-existing medical condition. Prevention, hand washing, using sanitizer, wearing mask and observing social distancing. इसी को expand करके लिख दो और अपने थोड़े बहुत point add कर दो. So COVID-19 novel coronavirus pandemic. COVID-19 is a new strain of coronavirus. This disease was first identified in Wuhan, China. It has been given a name COVID-19. CO for corona and VI for virus and D for disease. It is linked to same family virus as SARS and some types of common cold like other respiratory illness. It can cause mild symptoms including a runny nose, sore throat, cold, cough, and it can lead to pneumonia and breathing difficulties and organ failure. This disease can be fatal. It is more dangerous to elderly people and minor children. The patient who have pre-existing medical condition are in more danger. Question is, what is the prevention of hand washing? Prevention, hand washing frequently, using sanitizers, wearing masks and observing social distancing are some of the measures which can be adopted to prevent the disease. तो जो क्लू गिवन हुई थी उसी को हमने एक्सपैंड कर दिया. ठीक है. अब इसके और पार्ट में दिया हुआ है पैराग्राफ ऑन कम बैक टू द नेचर. Meaning of back to the nature, that is turning away from urban environment to agrarian lifestyle. Rossio का point of view लिखा हुआ है the foremost proponent of primitive idea of turning back to nature. How to go back to the nature? Go to state parks, plan a beach trip, visit the famous gardens, staycation like hiking, visit to national park. तो ये सारी cues को लिख के come back to the nature, basically how to enjoy the nature पे आपने पैराग्राफ लिखना है. तो टॉपिक दे देना बिकॉज टॉपिक के सीधे आ गए 1 मार्क्स. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कम बैक टू द नेचर? Turning away from urban environments and attitude towards an organic agrarian lifestyle. Rossio is often held up as the foremost proponent of primitive idea of turning back to nature, but the question arises, how can we go back to the nature? First, sometime we can go to state park which will yield a hidden escape close to a border of nature. We can plan a beach trip, make a difference. We can visit the famous garden. We can consider staycation. We can go for hiking, rails to trail conservancy, or we can look for national parks. Actually, we are part of nature, but we don't feel any connection with nature. Being natural, we can become natural and healthier human beings. So come back to the nature is real need. Clear? Now we are coming back to the literature part. And जो section C है वो हमारा literature है जो 40 marks का है. इसमें दोनों books Footprints Without Feet and First Flight दोनों ही काफ़ी important है. And question 6 की मैं बात करूँ तो question 6 है आपका reference to context. अब reference to context में क्या है, आपको 2 questions दिए गए हैं, दोनों में से एक attempt करना है. दोनों या तो एक First Flight से दिया होगा और एक Footprint Without Feet से दिया गया होगा. जो आपको आता होगा आपने वो ही अटेम्प्ट करना है. क्लियर? सो यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वन. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stair in his tracks. She was convinced that the room was haunted by spirit and that the stranger had somehow caused these to enter into her furniture. My poor mother used to sit in that chair, she moaned, to think it should rise up against me now. The feeling among the neighbor was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. कौन सी उससे है? फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट से है ये, ठीक है। चैप्टर का नाम है फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट। यहाँ चैप्टर का नाम मेंशन है, लेकिन आपको पेपर में चैप्टर का नाम मेंशन नहीं होगा, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू रीड ऑल द चैप्टर्स thoroughly. State any one inference about Mrs. Hall moaning about the extraordinary chair from the given context. The extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. So yes, इसका आंसर होगा कि Mrs. Hall was alarmed as well as pained on realizing that eccentric stranger had caused even her mother's favorite chair to be possessed by an evil that was out to harm her. Clear? Next is state true or false. The spirit haunted the house and the furniture in Griffin rooms was surely possessed according to the halls. So none of the A to D applies to the given statement. So ये hypothesis नहीं है, assumption नहीं है, but एक superstition तो है ना. So C applies to the this statement. So yes, C applies. So ये false हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ none लिखा है, ठीक है. So false term C can be applied to the given statement. Next, elaborate in 40 words with reference to the extract. Mrs. Hall was convinced that the room was haunted by spirits and other people thought so too. तो इसको elaborate करना है, मतलब इसको explain करना है. The violent conduct of the chair convinced the Halls about the furniture being haunted and that the stranger had somehow caused spirits to enter into their furniture. Even their neighbors believed that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. Clear? Next आता है which phrase should correctly substitute in his tricks as given in the extract. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs in his trick. His tricks मतलब in getting panic attack. ठीक है. So अब इसके ऑप्शन में देखते हैं कौन सा चैप्टर है. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself, the transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased and go where I choose. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having family, the freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. So this is from the chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. यहाँ chapter का नाम mention है लेकिन पेपर में नहीं होगा. So make sure that you read all the chapters very thoroughly. So पहला question है, the speaker's attitude towards his freedom when he was in his boyhood can be summed up as being self-centered? No. Being naive? Yes, he was being naive. Clear? Next, how does Nelson Mandela understand the concept of transitory freedom? Transitory freedom का concept explain करना है. So transitory freedom for him meant staying out at night, reading what he liked and going where he chose. This was Mandela's concept of freedom when he was young and limited to personal liberty and enjoyment. Next, in this statement, I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. What was Mandela's hungering after? The desire to lead a normal, respectful life as a citizen, the desire to fulfill all his professional dreams, the breaking of the chain that bound his fellow citizens. ये अच्छा तीन ही ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. So the answer is the first one, the desire to lead a normal, respectful life as a citizen. Next is, if point of view is the narration of a story that can be told from a first, second or third person's point of view, the given extract is told. अब ये जो extract है first person point of view से, second person point of view से या third person point of view से, तो सब चीज़ें I में, it was only when I began. तो ये narration है, ठीक है. narration है तो yes, it is the first person's point of view. Clear? Now let's come to question number 7. Question number 7 भी reference to context है and it is from poem. ठीक है, दो ऑप्शन है, एक poem का, दूसरा ऑप्शन दूसरी poem का है. So इसके लिए फर्स्ट लाइट बहुत अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. तो दोनों poem में से आपने एक अटेम्प्ट करना है जो आपको आता होगा. ठीक है. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I'm speaking to you, Amanda? I am Rapunzel. I have not a care. Life in a tower is tranquil and rare. I'll certainly never let down my bright hair. So first question is, fill in the blank with suitable word as you deem. The tone of the speaker in the above stanza is annoying and nagging. जो mother है यहाँ पे, she is continuously nagging Amanda and she is annoying her, right? What is the listener's reaction to being constantly scolded? अब वो constantly scold किया जाता है उसको. Now she is in a tranquility, ठीक है. अब उसे constant scolding से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, and she is imagining herself to be a Rapunzel living alone in a tower, ठीक है. So Amanda longs for tranquility and a break from this constant scolding by imagining herself in a distant tower all alone like a Rapunzel. How is Amanda going to be different from Rapunzel? So Rapunzel lived away from her family? No. A prince is going to rescue her? No. Amanda is going to be in a high tower waiting for a rescue? No. Amanda would never let her hair down. उसने mention किया था, I would never let my hair down and I would never let anyone come in the tower and I would love to live alone. So the answer is D part. Comment on the poet's use of language in these lines. So the poet used parenthesis, okay, to give us additional detail about Amanda's reaction to constant nagging. She compared herself to Rapunzel, which is an illusion. Assonance, please look at me when I am speaking. This is consonants, ठीक है. अब बेसिकली assonance यूज किया गया है इस लाइन में, consonants यूज किया गया है इस लाइन में. लाइफ इन अ टावर इन इज ट्रांक्विल, TTT, ठीक है. एंड रेपिटेशन ऑफ अमांडा मेक्स द लैंग्वेज हाईली इम्पैशन्ड एंड अफेक्टिव, ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आता है, नेक्स्ट पोयम जो आती है और पार्ट में, दोनों में से एक ही अटेम्प्ट करना. एंड अल्टीमेट शेकिंग ग्रीफ फिक्सेस द बॉय एज ही स्टैंड रिजिड ट्रेम्बलिंग स्टेरिंग डाउन all his young days into harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him. A time another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possession. कौन सी पोयम है? द पोल पोयम, ठीक है. पहला क्वेश्चन है, आइडेंटिफाई द सिंबोलिज्म यूज इन द गिवन लाइंस बाय द पोएम. इसमें सबसे प्रीशियस पोजेशन के बारे में बताया गया है जिसमें बॉय अपनी एक चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी को खो रहा है. सो द बॉल इज द सिंबल ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रेशियस पोजेशन ऑफ द बॉय एंड द लॉस ऑफ हिज चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज. Now, what is the significance of the use of the word all his young days into the harbor to describe the loss of the ball in the poem? And how does this word choice contribute to the overall mood and tone of the poem? Answer in about 40 words. So, the little boy stood shocked when he saw his ball drifting away. His rigidness shows that he instinctively knew that it is irretrievable. With the ball, he also lost precious childhood memories for good. The dark mood and the sad tone are reflected in the choice of words. Ultimately, shaking grief, rigid trembling, and staring. Next आता है, complete the sentence with correct facts. I will not intrude on the boy because he won't like the intrusion. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I want him to face the situation. So the poet wants the boy to face the situation so that he understands the sense of responsibility. Comment on the poet's use of language in these lines. So the stanza is rich in figurative language. The poet has made effective use of alliteration. In buys a ball, B repeat हो रहा है sound, so buys a ball, ठीक है. Back, repetition in balls will be lost always. Consonants in lost always, little boy, la. Clear? And a sentence in a time another ball is worthless. Clear? अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो है आपका फर्स्ट फ्लाइट का है. देयर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस एंड आउट ऑफ 5 यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 4. 30 to 40 वर्ड्स में आपने आंसर करना है, ठीक है. एंड यस 12 मार्क्स का होगा ये, क्योंकि 3 मार्क्स का एक क्वेश्चन है. वाई डिड लेंचो कंपेयर टू new coins? Why? Lencho compared the raindrop to new coins. He does it so because it would help him in getting good harvest. He could make more money by selling his crops. Next question आता है, what excited Rajveer? Why did Pranjal not share his excitement? So Rajveer was quite excited because it was his first visit to Assam. He was looking at the tea garden in amazement. Pranjal did not share his excitement as he lived in Assam and the tea estate were a daily affair for him, and therefore he did not find anything special about these as Rajveer did. Next आता है, how did the crow change the mood of the poet? So the poet was going somewhere in the snowy morning. A crow made some dust of snow fell on the poet. The poet took it as a bad omen and came back to home. Thus his mood changed. तो यहाँ पे एक गलती है. The poet does not took it as bad omen. ठीक है, ये नहीं, ये पोएट ने उसको बैड मैन नहीं लिया, इसमें ये बताने कि जो पोएट का मूड था वो ऑलरेडी रूड था, ठीक है, बट जब नेचर से क्रो की वजह से उसके ऊपर डस्ट और स्नो गिरी, हिज मूड वाज चेंज फ्रॉम सैड टू हैप्पी। क्लियर, तो ये लाइन मत मेंशन करना। हाउ डज अ टाइगर फील इन द फॉरेस्ट? टाइगर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल एनिमल्स इन द फॉरेस्ट। इट इज इट्स नेचुरल हैबिटेट। ही मूव्स फ्रीली किलिंग हिज प्रे। ही bears his fangs and claws to terrorize the animal and the villagers. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, what does Lumov remind Shubukov to prove that his dog guess was better than his dog? Lumov reminded him that on the Marinsky hunt, Lumov's guess ran neck to neck with the count's dog while Squeezer was left behind. क्लियर। अब क्वेश्चन 9 की बात करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 9 जो है आपका फुटप्रिंट विदाउट फीट से है। देयर आर 3 क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी 2। 4 मार्क्स ईच है, 3 मार्क्स ईच है, 40 to 50 वर्ड्स में आपने ये आंसर करना है। व्हाट ओपन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ साइंस फॉर एब्राइड? One day, Ebright's mother gave him a book, The Travel of Monarch 10. This book was about the migration of butterflies to Central America. It opened the world of science for him. Next आता है, what happened at the ball? Was Matilda's dream fulfilled? So Matilda was very happy. She was the prettiest at the ball. Everyone appreciated her. Everyone wanted to be known to her. She danced very excitedly. Yes, her dream was fulfilled that evening. Clear? फिर नेक्स्ट आता है, हाउ डिड हरी सिंह नो दैट अनिल हैड फॉरगिवन हिम? सो अनिल न्यू अबाउट द थेफ्ट बट ही डिड नॉट शो एनी साइन ऑफ एंगर. ही गेव हिम 50 रुपी नोट, 150 नोट नहीं होगा, ही गेव हिम 50 रुपी नोट एंड प्रॉमिस्ड हिम टू टीच रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग सेंटेंसेस. दिस मेड हरी सिंह रियलाइज दैट ही हैड फॉरगिवन हिम. ठीक है, दैट ही हैड फॉरगिवन हिम. उसके बाद आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है वो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, 6 मार्क का है, 100 to 120 वर्ड में आंसर करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 की बात करूँ तो ये फर्स्ट स्लाइड से 2 क्वेश्चन है और करके यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट एनी वन. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोलता है, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज इज दैट देयर इज फ्रीडम when you conquer fear, and fear should not be allowed to cripple one's faculty and thinking ability. Prepare a set of dialogue between 2 students on his first flight and black aeroplane. You may begin like this. Student 1, I'm totally impressed by the role of baby girl's parent in his first flight. Student 2, I find the black aeroplane more inspiring. ठीक है, ऐसे शुरू करना है. He displayed sheer courage and the black aeroplane appears to be his voice of conscience. He conquered his fear. Student 1, baby girl is too young to this plunge. His parents assisted him to take this step and he finally wins over his fear. Student 2, yes, whatever the situation, one needs to conquer the fear. Within only one we can progress in life. Strength always comes from within. Student 1, if baby girl's parent had not assisted him, he would never have been able to get over his fear of flying and would have crippled with fear of life. ठीक है. Student 2, yes, I totally agree with you. Foundation has to be laid in the childhood itself. Clear? अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन आ रखा है. द मैसेज कन्वेड इन द चैप्टर लेटर टू गॉड डील्स विद अनफ्लिंचिंग फेथ इन वन एंड ऑल. लेंचो हैज faltering faith that leads to anger and discontentment. On the other hand, the pilot of the black aeroplane has undeniable faith in that unknown pilot. He is saved from the crisis. If you had to use the message with reference to both the chapter, how will you elaborate it and how also it is relevant to both? Clear? So faith has to be unflinching, childlike, and with no terms and conditions. Lencho's faith came with the rider. If his wish gets fulfilled, then he is satisfied. If not, he stands up to blame one or the other person. No doubt he does not blame God. But then he does not believe others. For him, the world is an evil place. On the other hand, the pilot believes the pilot of the black aeroplane with complete conviction. His faith saves him and he reaches safe. He believed in the goodness of his world and finds no reason to distrust the pilot. Though he is told that there was no other plane other than his, but that also does not deter his faith in human goodness. Trust and faith do not come as per convenience. Either you believe in someone or you do not. There is no midway. Clear? Now question number 11 is also a long question. 6 mark का है. ठीक है, 2 questions दिए गए हैं. You have to attempt any one. 100 to 120 words में आंसर करना और ये है footprints without feet से. ठीक है. Love and sympathy can transform a thief. How is it true in the case of Hari Singh? Comment. So yes, Anil Singh dealt with the situation very impressively. First of all, he hires Hari Singh despite the fact that he could not afford to hire any. Hari Singh vouched that he is a good cook, but later on he did not prove to be even an ordinary one. Hari Singh was a self-proclaimed thief. He accepts that Anil is a good man, but he is a thief and won't transform. But love and sympathy displayed by his employer changes his thought process and he transforms for good. Anil Singh trusts him to the extent that he tells him about the payment received and Hari Singh where it is kept. As the story ends, it leaves the reader with a feeling of respect for Anil, who treats Hari Singh with love and sympathy, and it leads to a change of हार्ट. ठीक है, अब इसके और पार्ट में देखते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन है. कंटेंटमेंट इन वंस लाइफ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लीड अ पीसफुल लाइफ. वी शुड बी हैप्पी विद वॉट वी हैव एंड should not crave for what we don't have. This statement is perfect in the case of Matilda. What lesson does it convey? So yes, Matilda की spelling गलत है, D के बाद A आएगा. Matilda's example is a perfect case of discontentment leading to lifelong suffering. She had never been happy with her life. She was too conceited to accept her state. Her husband tried everything but to no avail. She was too disturbed with her stature. She rubbished her husband's advice that became the cause of her undoing. She ended up wasting her life for a fake necklace. The beauty she was proud of, ironically, was lost due to her vanity. She started to look like an ordinary woman, spoken aloud, and her tone, the status she despised, that too became a distant dream for her. It was insult added to injury when she was informed by her friend that the necklace was fake piece and not worth the effort and the pain she put in. Clear? यहाँ पे आपका sample paper number 26 खत्म होता है. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box so that I can clear your doubt. Moreover, if you need the PDFs of these sample paper, you can reach us out on the number which is given below. And for more PDFs, stay tuned. I will be meeting you guys super soon in my next video. Bye bye everyone.